Hey guys, today let's learn how to make money on Temu, or rather how to earn money, how to get some free things, or well, get some monetary value from Temu. Okay, so in this tutorial, basically I'm going to teach you guys how to get some free things, or how you guys could benefit the most on the Temu application or website. So in this tutorial, I'm going to basically show you guys how to get some free gifts, and could also get some free money, or you could, or once you have those free gifts, you could easily just sell them to gain some personal money that you can of course spend onto your own desires too. Okay, so let's just hop right into the video and let's dive right in. Alright, so once you're already on the Temu website over here, of course it is basically not hard. Rather, it's not really available on the Temu website on the PC, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it on the mobile versions. So over here on the mobile versions of Temu, I do have this quick screenshot to show you guys as an example. But basically, once you have already downloaded the Temu application on your devices, on your preferred devices, whether that may be Android or iOS, doesn't really matter in this case. Of course, all we need to do once we have already downloaded the application is to go ahead and log on to our preferred account. So you may use Facebook, Google, or any other platform to directly log on to your accounts on there. Or you can also directly register your account if you have already an account on Temu, or if you have not yet created one just yet, go ahead and register your details. It's going to be very easy for you to do, but once you're already done with that, of course, all we need to do next is to go ahead onto the U profile right here on the middle. Now, once you have tapped on that, of course, there is going to be this section called free gifts right here. Of course, once you have already located where this free gifts is, all we need to do is to basically copy our own unique link and of course share it to the world. Of course, you need to just invite your friends over to the Temu application, and that is going to give you your free gifts. And of course, whether that may be a physical product from the Temu inventory, or whether that may be some cash, some coupon codes, or whatever that may be. That's how you guys could basically make some free money. Of course, making some money on Temu doesn't necessarily mean a stable income, but you could of course get some monetary gain through simple coupons or through physical gifts that you would sell online again and gain some money. Of course, once you've already copied your link from this section called free gifts, all we need to do next is to advertise or share that link onto all of our other friends, and hopefully persuade them into clicking on it, logging on to their own accounts on Temu, and then that is how you can get a successful referral and a free gift from Temu. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and again, take care.